Hello and welcome to Lights Camera Location with me, Ash Robertson. We're currently at the Seaham Blast Beach in the northeast of England. This location was made famous by the movie Alien 3 starring Sigourney Weaver. Sigourney's character Ripley lands in the sea and she's retrieved and looked after by the prisoners on the planet Florina 161, where they find there is an alien amongst them. Fantastic location and amazing views, as you can see right behind me. Let's go and check out this amazing location. Alien 3 was released in 1992 and was directed by David Fincher. Unfortunately, due to the troubled nature of the film's production, the film received mixed reviews, and due to conflict with the studio, David Fincher's vision was never fully realised. However, many years on, and thanks to the emergence of the newly edited assembly cut, the film has become far more appreciated for its dark and barren depiction of an alien future. The opening shots of the film were shot right here at Seaham Blast Beach in the northeast of England. A lot of the original shots of the Blast Beach didn't make it into the theatrical cut, but the assembly cut shows us a fantastic establishing shot of the Seaham location standing in as the planet Florina 161. This real-life location that can be visited to this very day includes fantastic rock formations and deep red colours due to hosting the former blast furnaces close by. In the assembly cut, we see Clemens, played by Charles Dance, approach the shores of the beach and spotting Ripley's craft in the distance. He looks over at the shore to his right, at this very spot where the scene was shot. He walks over and sees Ripley's body lying on the beach, covered in black dirt and almost unrecognisable. He picks her up and takes her to safety in the prison on Florina 161 to try and revive her. She is the only survivor from her ship. The shots of the beach were filmed right here. However, the shots of the actors were unfortunately shot on the backlot of Pinewood Studios, London, England. Many of the Seaham locals, however, stood in as prison extras for other beach scenes and for the shot where Ripley's craft is pulled out of the sea. The wide shot of the beach had digitally inserted cranes and chains added to give the beach a further look of a barren alien planet. However, I'm sure you will agree that even today, the beach still has an alien-like feel and look to it, thanks to the fantastic colour that still remains in many of the beach's rocks and its surrounding pebbles that can be seen all over the beach. The assembly cut of Alien 3 can be viewed as part of the Alien Anthology box set as part of the director's cut, which features the fantastic extended opening that really adds that extra layer of tension and build-up to bring the atmosphere of the original vision of director David Fincher's Alien 3 to life. A fantastic location and one that can be visited to this very day. To stay up to date with all the latest videos, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at Lights Camera Location Videos and over on Facebook at Lights Camera Location. Thanks for watching.